Angel's Boutique. Hope everyone's having a blessed day. I have a small unboxing, and of course I've already opened it up and everything, but I wanted to share this with you guys. And this is from Victoria's Secrets. So this is some stuff that I found on sale, and I had some coupons, and so I went online and got this. This is some like the beauty stuff, smell good stuff. So first of all, like I said, I already cut it open. I kind of checked it out myself. These things were, like I said, some things were on sale, and I had coupons. So I'll tell you the total price of everything. This whole box, and I had 3 boxes actually, so this was the most expensive box that I ordered. This was $32 for all this, so which wasn't too bad. And I just realized I didn't get my free sponge, so I'll have to ask them, call and ask about that, because I remember on there she said she's going to put that in there. But anyway, I got this lotion, the Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla, which, let's see if I can find it. Looking on here. I was trying to see how much it was. I think it's $5.07 is what it was. This does, it really smells good. And I also got, to go with that, spray. Okay, the lotion and the spray, and they smell really good. So I got that. Let me move this out of the way here. And then I got the next set was the Velvet Petals. Normally get scents online that I'm not sure about. This time I did take a chance, and I kind of did my homework on it. Yeah, did hear a lot of good reviews on them. So from what I've heard and read and everything, I thought, okay, well, I'm going to try them. If I don't like them, I could always take them back. So, and there is the spray. So I got both, again, the lotion and the spray, and the Velvet Petals. And I do like the smell of it. It smells it's not very loud, it's very soft, and so the lotion, but you can, I think the things on it, it's yeah, it's very creamy and soft. And it smells real nice. I like it. And same with this vanilla. you can really smell the vanilla in this. It smells really good. If you want something that's a good fall scent, especially, that this smells good. It almost smells like something from Bath and Body Works. This Barely Vanilla does. It's really sweet vanilla smell. It's like I don't know. It's hard to explain, but it's something almost from Bath and Body Works you would get. That's really good. This one almost smells better than this one, I would say. I really like this one. So get that. And then last order, I got the Coffee Shop bath wash, and I meant to bring it in here. I got that Coffee Shop bath wash and body spray lotion stuff, something new that they had out, and I wanted to get these also to go with it to try. These are the Coffee Shop exfoliating soap cubes, so I thought that I'd try these two. I do like the new Coffee Shop bath wash. A lot of people were saying they did not like it because it was very watery feeling to them, that it did not lather up very good for them. Well, there's a trick to that. One, you have to really shake it up. It does separate. You have to shake this stuff up. It's really good for people who have sensitive, dry skin like I do. You also cannot use a loofah. You need to use a sponge. They sell the sponges there. Right now they have a deal where if you buy 2 of their bath products, you get the free sponge. So, yeah, you put it on, you wet your sponge really good, and then you shake that stuff up, and then you squeeze some on it, and just kind of swish it around, and then you bathe with it, and just kind of, do your thing. And yeah, it lathers up, but it's not supposed to lather up too much, because it doesn't have that type of soap in it. Detergent is what makes lather, and you don't want that on you. So, but it makes your skin feels just so smooth and soft, and it's really nice. So a lot of people are complaining, oh, it doesn't lather, Well, you don't want all that type of lather, because that's a lot of detergent, and that's what eats your skin up. So if you have sensitive dry skin, that detergent's not good for you. So yeah, that was the problem. People were putting it in the loofahs and just not using it right, because yeah, it'll go through a loofah. You have to use one of their sponges. So just a little tip right there. But that was my little small haul unboxing, and then of course I got a little free pack of undies from them. I've gotten older, so I don't really like to wear a lot of their undergarments too much now, but I went ahead and got a free pack, so I did get that. But I do still like their scents here, so anyway, I wanted to share that with you guys, and I do recommend you try the new Coffee Shop product they got out, and this Bare Vanilla, which I think they've had for a while. This is really nice smelling, and I do like this too. This is much a lighter scent than this. This Bare Vanilla reminds me of something from Bath and Body Works. So anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like Victoria's Secrets, and if you've shopped there before, give me a thumbs up, comment below, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.